Hi, in this video we are going to talk about kadas. These are ancient Indian techniques which have been used in India since ancient times. So there are kind of currently after COVID-19 pandemic in India there have been increasing use of these kada, different kadas. So there are I will discuss three different kadas in this video like Malegaon kada, Mansur kada and the Ayush kada. So what is Mansur Kada? Mansur Kada is prepared by Mohammadiyya Tibliya University of Malegaon region. It's in university Unani medication technique that has been used to prepare this Kada. So Unani, first of all, I will tell you what is this Unani is. Unani is an herbal medicine technique in which different herbs are used. So Unani is a Greek term. It has been started by Greek people. It's a very ancient technique. Then it came to India, and in Mughal period, it has been used. And after that, Muslim community has been following this Mansuri Kada, which has like around 9 herbals to prepare this in equal quantity. We prepare the powder, and that's what people use with boiling water, and they drink it as a tea. Then second type of kada is Malegaon kada, which is the name has been given from the Malegaon place itself. It has been prepared by Jamiyat Ulema-e-Hind, this institute, which is located into that area. So what they do is that they use different masalas. Like there are 8 different masala combination of that powder they are using. I have provided this list. Like it contains black pepper, cardamom, ginger, jaggery, cinnamon, kalunji, we call it as black caraway, tea powder, and turmeric. So the mixture of this in equal proportion, what the powder they use, and they add it in boiling water, and that's how they drink it. This is what this Malegaon kada is. Third one is Ayush Kada. It is directed by Ayush Ministry of Indian Government. It consists of like 6 to 7 ingredients. It has tulsi. Then second, it has cinnamon. Third, it has black pepper. Fourth, it has dry ginger. Fifth, it has rock salt. And sixth, it has like raisins. So raisins are normally used to cool down the body. So they create this powder, okay, along with jaggery, say 7th ingredient we can call it, and this powder is created with equal amount of proportion, and then it has taken for one person they take it as 1 spoon, like 3 to 5 grams of it, and they put it in boiling water and make it as a tea. So into that they add the lemon, 2-3 drops of lemon. That's what this Ayush Kada has been used for this cough, dry cough, cold, and other respiratory related ailments. There has been in news that these different kadas have been creating problems for some people. Like we can say that if you consume it more, then you might have problems. So I would like to suggest you 3 measures to not have any adverse effects of these kadas. So first and foremost is use it in moderation. Like as Ayush Mantralaya suggested, use it only 2 times, like early in the morning before having any breakfast or lunch, and the second one at the time of like after dinner and before sleeping. That's what you should have, only 2 times. And if you are using it more than that, then definitely it will harm your body. The second one is use appropriate proportions of these while making this powder or kadas. So like you need to have all the in same proportion, and you should not use for single person like more than 1 tablespoon for 150 ml of water. And that's what the second point is. And third point I would like to suggest you is that if you have any stomach problems or any other ailments related to your gastrointestinal problems, so then you should take advice of doctor, and then only you should take these kadas. Hope you like this video, and if you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to it and share this video if you really like it. Thank you.